Hi you, welcome to Life Meets Family. Today we will be reacting to Samsung Indian Service. We are Life Meets Family.
I'm Erin.
I'm Emma Ormanim.
I'm Amanda Savage.
I'm Sunshine.
And I'm Dan.
And if you want to join our family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's watch this awesome video.
Here we go.
Yay.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित।
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
I know I've been waiting for repair people before.
That doesn't happen here.
And they don't get there when you want them to, do they?
Yeah, here you wait days.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that rope bridge.
Oh, he looks nervous. Or maybe cold.
Right?
Yeah.
You're like, hey, can you be here at 12? And they're like,
Oh my goodness.
No.
A tree in their way? He is dedicated.
Oh, that's so sad. He's the only one there.
Oh, he can't move it. I'm turning around and going another way that does not look easier.
He checked his watch too. He was like, oh, darn it.
Oh, he
Can't
really
waste
wants to
his
make it in time, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah, this is not an easier way.
Oh no!
Move it.
The
Move
sheep.
or lose it, sheep. I will run you over.
थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ बस। आ ही रहा हूँ।
stuck. कि मेलों में फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
That's funny,
it
she
says,
knew.
it says no animals were harmed in film.
Aww.
That's kind of funny. They put that.
Yeah.
Just in case you were worried that they really did run over the sheep.
Yes.
Yeah, you're about 6 hours late.
अमित,
Oh, is she blind?
Mm-hmm.
आइए आइए। टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
Are you done?
हाँ, अब ठीक है।
Yay, he fixed it.
चलो 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 जल्दी चलो शो शुरू होने वाला है जल्दी जल्दी
Is this a school
Mm-hmm.
जल्दी
That's cool.
for blind kids?
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
that's so sweet.
जी रिमोट
जी। Welcome back to Junior Indian Icon. और आज
Aww.
Is that Indian Idol? Is that what they said? Yeah.
Oh, aren't they cute?
हमारे हॉस्टल की है
Aww.
मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी
That is awesome. That makes me
That's
tear
so
up.
cool. Yeah. She has a talent as well.
Mm-hmm. A sweet little voice.
Close the door.
How good he must feel.
Yeah. He didn't close the door.
Let's pretend.
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है।
Did his buddy wait in the car that entire time?
Looks like it.
Wow.
Hey, he had a partner. Why wasn't his partner helping him? That's unusual.
Why wasn't he pushing the tree?
Right? They should
Why
both
wasn't
push the tree.
he moving out the sheep?
Yeah, how strange. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was whenever we found out that the reason that all those kids were so excited to watch the TV was because that was a friend from the house. That was really cool.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite part was seeing him try to move the sheep. He was like, "Go sheep! I have to go do something. Move!"
Right?
And they did not want to listen, did they?
No.
My favorite part was whenever he fixed it, and she's like, done? And he's like, almost. And she said, done now? And he's like, yep, it's all fixed.
I like that part too. So I like the part where he said he'd be there at a certain time and he did everything he could to be there then.
Yes.
When he was going to be late, he called. Yeah.
Respect.
Respect. But I want to give a shout out to one of our good friends that did the same video. One of our buddies at Dad's Den did the same video. And so I'm going to put a link to his up here, maybe above Big Man's head. So you guys should check it out.
Absolutely.
Also, he's awesome. So check him out.
My favorite part was the end as he was leaving the house and he just had so much joy on his face from helping that family, and how it said sometimes we need to go farther. And he really did. He went out of his way to help them fix their TV, and I admire that. Tell us in the comments below, what was your favorite part? And let us know if there's something else you'd like us to react to. We are Life Meets Family. We post videos on YouTube every day. So if you click subscribe, you have joined our family, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye. Make sure you do your daily dab, tank, tong.
3, 2, 1, go! I'm scared for
Not excited about having people watch me.
So who won the challenge?
Me.
Me.